The morning part, we make eggs and waffles.
Ooh, that's my favorite. And bun. Hey, what's up? Come on, let's go. What's up?
What's up, bro? Dude, okay, so I have a question about the team strategy. So for a cross, two-man run, and then
Wait, is that Dork Pressy?
yeah, oh my god, bro.
Bro, let's. Bro, look at that dude.
Oh, let's go. Hey, fool! Hey.
What's up, loser?
Hey, I heard you doing people summatives. Can you do ours?
No.
Bro,
Yeah,
you
loser.
playing.
That's why you have no friends. You can't do anything. You'll see.
This should teach them a lesson.
School?
So boring.
No. Design? Unnecessary and really got me stressed.
Bro, look, it's that dork.
Oh, hey guys, I want to apologize.
What? You tripping. Bro, you're kind of up there right now. You want to thank us?
Yes.
Something like that?
Trust me, just take it. Well, I actually. Here.
You know what? Let me see that.
Bye.
Bro, something was off about
Yeah.
that drink. Like,
I don't know. We don't have to worry about it because it's the weekend, so hopefully that.
okay, see you on Monday.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Wait. What? Why am I in...
Whoa, yo.
Whoa, how am I in Sydney's body? Whoa, look at these muscles. Wait, I have abs? Oh yeah. Whoa, this is cool. Jawline? How is this even possible? Wow, this is so crazy. Whoa. I guess, okay. This is crazy. Oh, wait, I need to talk to Sydney. Bro, how am I in his body? Dude, I need to talk to him. Oh my god. Dude,
I'm kind of confused.
say, like, look at me, like, I'm you.
You and your me, kind of. Look, I don't know. I'm kind of confused on how this happened and if we can fix it.
How is it impossible? I mean, like,
I can't think of anything.
Dude,
It had to be something recent.
dude, okay, my girlfriend's coming, so just play it cool. Just,
I don't have a girlfriend.
no, it's my girlfriend, but
Oh,
you're
yeah,
my
I'm-
part. Okay,
yeah,
she's kind of like petty, so like, just go like that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey yo,
Hey.
why are you talking to him?
It was just something outside of school project. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah?
Excuse you.
Oh, okay, bye Nadia.
What? Anyways, you go to the movies?
I can't. Kind of something
Why not?
outside of school.
What? Why are you stuttering? So, what?
Problem that.
Are you cheating?
No, I just.
No, because it seems like every time I ask you to do something, you always have other plans.
No, I don't.
What is this? You know what? Forget when you make time for me. I'll come back later.
No, come back.
Creed?
Dude, I just wish I was in my own body. Dude, why? She's probably gonna break up with me now.
What? That's not my fault.
I just want to get back in my own body.
Dude, I have math test smart. Do you think you can score well?
I'm in the lowest class, but I'll try.
What? No, you're in algebra. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but I'm not good at math, but I'll try. Okay, I'll try. What happens if you don't pass it?
I'll go to tutorials for the rest of the year.
Okay, that's big.
No crap, Sherlock. Okay, look. Can you just score well, please?
That would teach them a lesson. Now that they switched bodies, then their lives will be ruined. Forever and ever and ever.
Dude, Sydney, I just heard something relating to me and you.
Wait, really?
It's with the kid that we kind of messed up with. So, I don't know. He was talking about how, like, maybe the water changed us. So, dude, maybe we should just apologize to the kid, okay?
Yeah, we should go apologize to him.
Alright, I'll meet you there. To the bathroom, you said, right? Alright.
Okay, I'll see you at the bathroom. Bye. Okay, stop it. It's good enough.
Oh, what do you want?
Look, we found out that you switched us into different bodies with that drink.
Yeah, and we just want to apologize and maybe can be friends with you.
Yeah, since you have a
So,
limited amount, so
please switch us back. Please.
and be thankful.
Please, I can't be in his body, like...
Fine. But you have to be my friend, and you have to give me 5 days.
Okay,
I'm good with that.
that's good. I'm glad. Hey, you got the stuff?
Give me, I can't be you anymore. Dude. Wait, close your eyes. Hey, you beautiful.
Yo, it worked, dude. Let's go.
Bro, thank you. Hey, any.
Look, any favor you need, I'm here. All right.
Now you can get like 20.
Hey, don't hurry that. No!
Yeah.